Will the COVID-19 vaccine be mandatory, or will we as soldiers be afforded the opportunity to choose on whether or not we shall partake or not? So with that being said, many of you expressed some concerns on whether it's going to be mandatory or if we're going to be forced to take it, or will we have the ability to choose or not. So stay tuned. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Team SWARTZ, and if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. Here I post a ton of Army basic training tips, recruiting, and other Army related videos. So if that's what you're into, consider subscribing to this channel, hitting that bell icon, and turning on all notifications so you don't miss anything. I'm Sergeant First Class SWARTZ, your local New York Army National Guard's virtual recruiter and part-time drill with our respective recruit sustainment program located in New York City. And with that being said, if you are located anywhere in New York and would like to know more about how you can check out the National Guard, feel free to shoot me a text to get started to this number on the screen, and we'll get you started today with no obligation to join. This video is going to be quick and dirty, so enjoy. So, the FDA has approved the emergency user authorization of the COVID-19 vaccine, again, slated to be released as early as mid-December. So as of right now, the EUA COVID-19 vaccine is strictly optional and is on a volunteer basis. You will not be forced to take it as of right now. Now, that may change in the future once the FDA officially, gives that stamp of approval, 100% approves the COVID-19 vaccine, but as of right now, through the emergency use authorization, it is optional. But once they officially approve it, much like the flu shots that we get on an annual basis, once that takes place, then I would suspect that we would essentially be mandated to get it just like our flu shots on an annual basis. So hold your britches, Pry. You're not gonna have to worry about getting it when you go through the reception battalion at Army Basic Training. So once the FDA has officially approved the COVID-19 vaccine, then it will become mandatory and you will have to take your shots, just like the flu shots. It is a requirement. You are an asset to the United States Army, okay? You are officially government property. So regardless of your views, your opinions, or your feelings, if and when that happens, you will have to take the COVID-19 vaccine. I would imagine that it would probably take another year or so before it would become mandatory. But like I said, as of right now, it is completely optional, so do not have fear, my friend. You're gonna be just fine. So I'm no expert. Let me know down in the comment section what you feel or what you think about the COVID-19 vaccine. Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? Are we trending in the right direction? Do you feel that we're rushing it? Let me know. What are your thoughts? So if you made it this far to the video, do me a favor, put a hashtag Team SWARTZ down in the comment section. Let me know you are an official Team SWARTZ squad member for watching the entire video. Like this video, smash it if that's something that you're into, and I'll see you in the next video. Hold up! Wait a minute. Like this video and follow me on social, and while you're at it, go ahead and check out one of my other videos right over here. Just pick one. They're pretty cool. I mean, I liked it. I mean, I was in it. Spoiler alert. I teach you something. Just saying.